Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to add internet speed indicator to status bar. In the beginning, let's go to Play Store and search for Internet Speed Meter Lite app. Download this app and now open it. Allow. And now go to Preferences, Advanced Settings and add to whitelist. Go to All and search for Internet Speed Meter app. Now select Don't Optimize. As you can see, now you can check your internet speed in the status bar. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.